Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to a new destination. Are you all guys done of waiting in queues for having best biryani in Meghana's? I found one restaurant that has very similar taste that of Meghana biryani and very similar combinations. Same like Meghana special biryani, they have Narmada special biryani. Same like boneless biryani there, they have boneless biryani here. Whoever likes to have normal biryani, they have the normal biryani. Let's get in and see the ambience and let's look at the menu. Even the pricing is quite similar to Meghana biryani, but many of us are done waiting in the queues for Meghana biryani. But similar taste, similar quality is available here. We can see here this is the menu of this restaurant. They have quite many branches in Banarghatta, Kammanalli and many other places. The starters ranges from 280 to 320 rupees. And the other main course also, depending on what we take, it charges around 300 rupees. All the food over here is around 300 rupees, and we also have main course around 200, breads, Indian breads, juices, all has almost similar to Meghana pricing. And the taste, we ordered boneless chicken biryani, and that chicken biryani tasted almost similar to that of Meghana boneless biryani. So whoever is done of the rush in Meghana biryani, then we can go to this special place, that is Narmada's biryani. They offer very good quality and similar kind of pricing. So whichever is your nearest branch, you can go to that place.